Wow! Gandang gabi, my friends! Kakain tayo ng hapunan. Yes! Ang sarap ng ulam ng inyong Inday Tigresa. So, mais. Galing sa nilagang baka ng aking asawa. Then, I have binislad from a restaurant sa office. And then, meron akong mga siomay. Ito'y luto ni Ate Rose. Ang sarap. Siya ay maanghang at siya ay chicken. Kain kayo. Okay? Please bless, O Lord, this food which you are going to consume from thy bounty through Christ our Lord. Yes. Salamat sa Diyos. And then may bok choy. Chinese bok choy or pet chai. Kain, my friends. Kain. Ayun. Wow. Kumakagat talaga ang kanyang anghang. Ang sarap. Ang sarap-sarap. Okay. Ang sarap ng timpla. Talaga naman. Lagi kong binabalik-balikan ang lasa ng chicken siomai ni ate. Bukas-bukas makakatuto din ang magluto ng ganyan ng asawa ko. Adi, medyo pricey pala ngayon ng pork sa market. So, don't say anything that is not okay. Alam mo na. 480 yata ang 1 kilo. Wow! Ang ganda ng kanyang headdress. Very beautiful. Ang sarap ng aking ito? Binislad. Malinamnam. My God. So delicious. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Hello, my friends. Boy. Hello, good evening. Indonesia, Malaysia, the princess from Brunei, my friend in Malaysia. I love you, Mom. I love you so much. God bless your beautiful family. Let's eat po. This is my friend from Brunei. Former Queen of Brunei, but she is now based in Malaysia. Hi, best regards to your family, to your beautiful family, Mom. Ang sarap. Come on, let's eat. Everybody, sarap. Ang sarap. Delicious. Really, really delicious. Tasty. Yes. Sarap. Kapagkat Ang siomai na chicken ay spicy. My God. Ang sarap. Mmm. Sarap talaga, my God. Ang sarap na lasa. Maraming salamat, my friends. I love you all. God bless us all. Love you. Bye. Thank you.